Hey guys, check this out. I just got the Yotto Overland Sun Visor Fixer Brackets. Inside the box is the needed hardware, installation instructions, and of course the brackets themselves. These are laser cut steel and stamped with the Yotto Overland logo, but most importantly, these are made to last and much stronger than the stock plastic bracket alone. With specific brackets for the driver and passenger side, this simple install is a major upgrade. So let's head out to the Jeep and get them installed. You'll need the brackets and hardware, T25 screwdriver or bit, and a wrench with bit if you don't want to use the included Allen key. So let's get everything sorted out, pulling out the brackets, hardware, and 3mm Lexavon Allen bit, which I'll attach to the socket wrench. The first step is locating the two factory screws that hold your sun visor in place. Use the T25 screwdriver to remove the factory screws. This is what the factory hardware will look like. Now put the bracket in place and install one of the new screws. Once tight enough, do the other screw. Ensure it's tight and you're all set. On to the passenger side. Out with the factory screws, and in with the bracket and new hardware. Super simple and a mod that a lot of Jeep owners need. Get yours in the link below, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe.